Welcome back to the MPC Academy. Today we're going to be talking about loading drum kits, key group instruments, and plug-in instruments on the MPC Live III. We can now load up to 32 plug-in instruments with insanely fast load times. Let's check it out. So when you first turn on your MPC, you're going to be met with the stock kit. But if you want to change it, there's a couple of ways to do it. One way is to click the browse folder here, and we can browse our drum kits by going into wherever you have your kit saved. In this case, I'm going to go to expansions, and let's do the Marco Polo series, the Lo-Fi Boom Bap. Nice. Now to load this drum kit, all we have to do is just hit load. And then we can hit main. And now we have this kit available. Now what we're going to do is load up another drum kit, but I want to pull some samples from it. So what we're going to do is go to new track, and then we're going to go to drum. This time I'm going to use a different strategy to do the same thing. We can hit load, and now we can load up a drum kit this way. Takes us right back to the same menu. Okay, let's load this one, hit load, go to main. Now we can preview that samples. Let's load up a key group instrument. So what we're going to do this time is do a new track, and this time we're going to do key group. Perfect. Now, your third option to get into your browser is to just tap the screen, browse. And what we're going to do is go into where we have some key groups. We can check out Gemini, and they have some 808s and basses in here. Okay, let's say we like this bass right here. We're going to go ahead and hit load. And so now we have that bass on the pads. Now there's a simple way to add bass. All we have to do is check out the key of our original sample here, which is D minor, DM. So we're going to go back to our bass track, and then we're going to hit notes. And then we're going to change this to D, and then we're going to change this to minor. The next thing we're going to do is load up a plug-in instrument. So we're going to go to new track. This time we're going to go to plug-in. Perfect. Now we have all of our sounds available here, and there's a couple of ways to load up your sounds. You can click this icon right over here, tap that, and this will take you into your sounds. Another way you could get into your sounds is just by hitting sounds over here, this button, and it'll take you to the same menu. So there's a couple of different ways to load up your sounds. So let's go ahead and go to some hype. I like this patch here. This is called Smooth and Warm. Go to edit instruments so we can see it.